Hey there, guys. So it is time for day 9 of the daily Red Heart patterns for the month of February. I am really loving dedicating this entire month to Red Heart patterns, and it's just amazing to me how many free patterns there are. So today I've just found 6 patterns for hats. There are lots more out there, believe me, but these were ones that I thought were super duper cute. So we're going to start off with the crochet sparkle hat. And I'm not sure if you can tell from this photo or not, but this hat has a lot of sparkle in it. So let's just take a peek at it. Okay, so this is the Red Heart Crochet Sparkle hat, and it is listed as an intermediate level pattern. I think it's so pretty though. I love the texture of this hat, and I am just going to open it up and take a look at the pattern just so we can see, what gives it this texture. I'm very curious about this stitch. Is it a triple crochet? I'm trying to figure this out by looking at it. All right, I'm just going to cheat. Let's take a look at the pattern and see if we can figure this one out. Double crochet front post 2 together. Oh, single crochet front post. So we've definitely got some post stitches here, and that is what is giving it that texture. Very nice. So this hat is worked in joined rounds from the top to bottom, so that it is working in the round. It's not one of those flat hats that you gather together. Very nice. All right. Now that my curiosity is satisfied, we can go on to our next hat pattern. Okay, the next hat is the Little Miss Pom-Pom hat, and it's just cute. It's just cute. And first, when I saw this, I was thinking that this here was the front, and that is actually the back. If you look at the picture of the girl wearing it, it kind of fits almost like a bonnet with that pom-pom towards the back of the hat and not so much on top of the head. So I'm going to go ahead and open this up, and we'll take a little quick peek. Okay, so the comment says, practice crocheting on this cute pom-pom hat and Red Heart Baby Hugs medium. So this is listed as an intermediate crochet project. I have to say, I'm wondering if they make this an adult because I really like this pattern. And to be honest with you, I have kind of a small head. Oftentimes I can make child size hats and they will fit my head. I don't know what that says for my brain function, but it comes in handy sometimes. So let's see. It says it fits a 17-inch to a 19-inch head. There. Anyway, I think it's adorable. I really love how that pom-pom sticks out of the back rather than on top of the head. It's really cute. And I really love the embellishments of the pom-poms on these straps as well. Really cute. And I'm thinking when it's really cold and sometimes you really want something pressed against your ears to keep you warm, tying those together might be nice. As always, though, safety first. Don't tie those, if you're going to be playing on a playground or something like that. All right, let's move on to our next hat. Our next hat pattern is another one for the kiddos, and it is called the Happy Hoodie crochet pattern. So it looks kind of like a little teddy bear. It's just cute, it's really sweet, and it looks really snuggly warm. You could put this right over your head, and it's just like a hood. And my opinion of someone who has lived in the Northeast her whole life, a hood is even warmer than a hat. Okay, so this crochet hoodie is seriously cute for kids, and it is worked using Red Heart Soft Essentials. The skill level for this hoodie is an intermediate, so it is not necessarily for the beginners, but it doesn't look terribly difficult. I love this feature though. Look at these little snaps. What a great idea. So maybe your kiddo does not like something being pulled over their head. In this case, you can just put it on and snap it at the neck. And that is absolutely adorable. What a great idea to add those snaps. Love, love, love this idea. And I love the ears too. All right, let's move on to our next pattern. The next one, it shows a child wearing it. I'm thinking you could probably adjust the size for an adult as well. This is the Free Messy Bun Crochet Hat. Um, so this one, I've seen lots of messy bun hats before, and some of them have a wider opening at the top than others. Okay, so this crochet hat is cheerful in all different shades of color with the red heart with love. That's very pretty. I believe, yeah, it's not going to show me the color. So you could probably get it in any color you wanted. I mean, why not? Red heart is well known for having tons and tons of colors. So it's super cute. It definitely matches her little outfit there. This is listed as an easy level crochet project. And I see here it says size. I'm curious if they have more than one size. So I'm just going to click on this and see. Okay, so it does say that you could have the pattern in 19 inch, 21 inch, or 23 inch. So you could certainly make these bigger than child size. Super cute, super easy, and definitely great for those of us with really long hair who like to just stick it up on top of our heads. All right, let's take a look at our next hat pattern. All right, the next pattern is for the guys, which is kind of nice. I feel like we don't have enough guy patterns, you know? So this is called the Red Heart Buffalo Plaid Crochet Hat for him. It looks kind of like a slouchy hat. The way it's kind of pushed back on his head here. I'm just going to open that up so we can have a better look. I'm going to guess that this is an intermediate level. What do you think? Okay, so I was totally off base on that one. I was going to think that because of all of these different colors here, that it would be an intermediate pattern. But it says here that the skill level is easy. So it's just another one of those cases of, you know, don't judge a book by its cover. Might be easier than you think. Look at that. So you're a new crocheter and you want to crochet something for your dude? This might be perfect. Very nice. I love the buffalo plaid. Makes me think of lumberjacks and brawny paper towels. All right, so today I saved my favorite hat for last because I love this hat. It looks so snugly warm. This is the crochet trapper hat. I've also heard of this style being called the bomber hat after the World War II bombers, the pilots that flew in those planes, and it was cold, cold, cold for those poor guys. So they would wear these furry hats to keep their heads warm. I love this. I think it's really cute. I'm going to go ahead and open it up so we can take a closer look. Okay, so this crochet hat is ultra soft and red heart huga. I think that's how you say that word. Huga? I'm going to look it up just to be on the safe side, but I'm pretty sure that's how you say it. Let's take another look at the lady wearing it. Doesn't that just look so, so soft? Like, don't you just want to put that on right now? I do. This woman would probably not appreciate that I'm like zooming in on her head, but she's a model and gets paid well. Okay, so anyway, I really love the look of this hat. I think it's beautiful, and the best part of all is it says it's an easy level hat. So I'm gonna maybe give this one a try. I think it's beautiful. I've already got 600 hats in my basket. What's another hat, right? Okay, everybody, that's going to do it for day number 9 of the February Daily Red Heart Patterns. I hope you're enjoying this series as much as I'm enjoying making it for you. I've had a lot of fun, and if you are interested in any of these patterns, please feel free to click on the link in the description box below. That is going to take you directly to my Pinterest board, and as you could see from my clicking on them, there are no commercials, no ads, and no broken links. So knock yourself out and make some hats. All right, everybody, have a great day. Bye-bye.